What is up everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be giving a quick introduction to CNN, literally one of the most well-known news networks in the world. So CNN, which actually stands for Cable News Network, was founded in 1980. Yep, it's kind of old. And it actually became the first 24-hour news channel which covers breaking news, politics, business, health, entertainment, technology, and even world events. So whether it's major global stories or in-depth investigative reports, so CNN actually operates several channels including CNN International, CNN Business, and CNN en Español. So it's literally a Spanish language version for Latin America and Spanish speaking audiences. So now, where can you actually watch CNN? Well, you can actually watch it on cable and satellite TV, but if you prefer streaming, it's also available on platforms like Hulu in combination with Live TV, YouTube TV, as well as Sling TV. It also has a website at cnn.com and a mobile app, where you'll then be able to read articles, watch news clips, and also stream live coverage. So over the years, CNN has become a leader in the live breaking news coverage, so overall, it's a reliable source for real-time news updates. So that wraps up our breakdown. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.